Hello, beautiful viewers. How are you all doing today? Welcome to our kitchen. This is Igwe's Family Kitchen. I greet you all. I want to thank everyone for those who have subscribed to our YouTube channel. God bless you. And for those of you who are watching this video right now that have not subscribed to our channel, I beg you please subscribe so that you contribute to making this our channel grow. All right, today we are making a special kind of recipe. It's not food actually, but a very special recipe. Guess what we are making? I want to make a homemade cough syrup. Homemade cough syrup. And these are the ingredients we'll be needing for the homemade cough syrup. Come closer, let's show it to our viewers. So the recipe and the ingredients we need for this is the lime. This is the lime orange. You can see it. And the next ingredients we need here is the ginger roots. And the next thing over here is the garlic. And the last but not the least is the honey. So guys, I want you to wait patiently and follow us from beginning to the end of the video. So let's go. So guys, I have with me here two beautiful ladies, and they are Joanne and Dee. Alright, so want to make this cough syrup very fast, so that is why I want us to join hands and make it. So guys, watch out. So the first thing we'll be doing, Joanne here will be helping us with the ginger. She'll peel it and she'll pound it, and Gifty here will help us with the garlic, while I will take care of the lime orange. So let's go. So this is the garlic. I'm gradually peeling the garlic. And this is the ginger, peeling and also cutting it for pounding. So guys, we are not going to be taking much of your time. It's going to be brief. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So this is the lime orange. This is a presser. You can use this or you can use juicer, but this is manual presser or juicer. So this is how it's being used. Place it inside like this and press it. The juice will just come out. The ginger, just start pounding it like this. You can blend it. If you have a blender, you can blend, or you can just go ahead and pound just the way she's pounding it. So this is the lime orange. I've already cut it into half. So this is time to press it. Juicer. You can have this at home. In case you don't have the bigger juicer, this is just another one you can make use of and enjoy it. And come to think of it, the size really fits into the manual juicer. So that is what you do. So you now press, the juice will come out. The lime orange is very soft. You can use your hands to juice it out. Okay viewers, this is the right time to mix everything. So come and show them how well this is blended. So this is the ginger. It's well blended. I know that if you are using blender, it will be more pastry than this, but in the absence of that, you can still make use of it like this, or you keep on pounding it until it's more pastry. And this is the garlic, how well it's blended. So guys, the reason why I don't use blender much to blend this kind of recipe is because while blending it and you want it to be more pastry, you have to add water. And in making my special homemade cough syrup, it doesn't need water at all. So the only liquid used here is the lime juice and the honey. So that is why I don't like using blender to blend it, since while blending it you should add water so that you make it more pastry. So at this point I believe that this is okay for me. This is very okay for me. So I will start the mixing right now. All right, so I'll just scoop it inside the lime juice to mix properly. Mix it very well. The next thing to do, you get your sieve and pour inside. So you make sure you squeeze out the juice. Make sure you squeeze it out. Don't waste anything. Squeeze it out very well. When you're done squeezing it out like this, come closer. You can see it's very dry right now. Very dry. And you can see the juice. So this is made up of 3 juice: the lime juice, the ginger juice, and the garlic juice. All right, and the next thing to do is to pour in the honey. So viewers, this one is not even enough, so I decided to add like 2 tablespoons of extra honey to the mixture. Tablespoon will be okay. All right, So you just test it and stir very well, and that is it. So our homemade cough syrup is ready. So you just pour it in a container that you use to preserve it. This homemade cough syrup, you can use it to take tea. You can use it to take your Lipton tea, your green tea. So after boiling your green tea in the morning, just take 2 tablespoons and pour it inside. Mix it. Yes, already there is ginger, there is garlic, and there is honey. So honey serves as the sweetener into that your green tea or your Lipton tea. You take it. It's very, very medicinal. And for those of us who want to lose belly fat, this is also good. You can take this without eating anything in the morning. Just when you wake up in the morning after brushing your teeth, just take 1 tablespoon. Or if you feel like you can manage, you can handle 2 tablespoons in the morning with an empty stomach. You take it. And in the night before bedtime, you just take 1 tablespoon, then you sleep. By the time you do this for complete 1 month, your belly fat will go. But for those of you who want to try this, make sure you're already a mother, because there's a lot of lime juice inside, so that the belly fat you want to lose is mommy's belly fat, not empty belly fat. So you understand what I'm saying. So guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this video. I know you're going to try this recipe at home. Yes, the quantity we've made is very, very big. You can as well make 3 small quantity, maybe making use of 3 lime orange or 4 lime orange with little quantity of your garlic and ginger. Just make little and try it first before making larger quantity. Yes, for we that will have kids at home, the kids always have cough, have catarrh, have cold, so just give them this to take as homemade recipe, because cough syrup in the market now is very costly, and sometimes after taking it doesn't even work. So with this, you are rest assured that your cough will just disappear. Guys, yes, this may sound or may look like a waste. You may throw it away if you so wish, but if you don't feel like throwing it away, no problem, because this is also medicinal. The peels of this lime orange and the chaff from the ginger and garlic. Maybe when you are boiling your agbo at home, I don't know if you understand what I mean by all these local herbs. When you're boiling it, you can add this. Even the so-called green tea that you are making at home, you can just throw 2 pieces inside, throw little, and by the time you add this, you don't need to add this again in your green tea. So I won't even throw this away. I'm saving it for later. So while the kids are taking the cough syrup, I'll be handling this one little by little until it's finished. Nothing they waste for my kitchen. You got it. So if you don't get it, you forget about it. So guys, I want to thank you very much for watching our video. This is Igwe Family Kitchen. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do us a favor and do yourself a favor. Just click the subscription button and also hit the notification bell, so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be the first person to alert. So thank you very much. God bless you. See you again in our next video. We love you. So guys, thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.